Giri 8C, and Tavish 6C, 6A, Lianchu Sangma 6A. So these are the participants from...
Good morning. I would like to thank the principal, Mr. Chetri, the staff of KV, EAC Upper Shillong, the staffs of Sports Authority of India, Shillong Center, and especially I would like to thank you students for having me here today to be present here at this Fit India movement, Fit India Week, as organized by the Ministry of Sports all across India. How many of you like to play? Everyone? Do you know why you like to play? Huh? Kapil Dev. So, I don't know if you know him, but he's a very, very famous cricketer who has played for India, was a captain of India, and I'm not mistaken, he was a World Cup captain, yes. So, I was a student like you, listening to what he had to say about sports, what he had to say about how important to lead a very healthy lifestyle. Because in order to succeed in life, you need to be fit, irrespective of what profession you do. Because the alarming state of people at this age, especially your age, I think you eat whatever you get, right? You eat chips, you eat sweets, isn't it? Huh? Do you know that eating a lot of chips, eating a lot of sweets is harmful for you? Very, very good. Then I hope that this program, this Fit India Week, will be a very beneficial to each and every one of you. Because of Fit India movement that you will all become sports person. No, I want to say that being fit will keep you physically healthy and mentally healthy, which is very important in life. And more importantly, through sports, you will learn a lot about life and how this chapter in your life that sports will give you at various sports that you play will help you become a better person in life. You will understand what being a team player is, understanding each other's problems and trying to come with a solution. So I will not speak much because I know the process is still very lengthy for you all to understand. But I encourage you to keep playing. Study is important, play is important. Both go hand in hand to become successful in life. And I would like to also request you, please go home. When you go home, please ask your parents, spend at least 30 minutes in a day to work out, to run, to play, to whatever they do, to work out, so that you're also encouraging your parents to be healthy. I would like to end my speech here, and once again, I would like to thank each and every student present here for having me here today. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. We all understand being fit is important, but I think we all take it very, very lightly. When we look at the current scenario of our country, India has the highest amount of deaths, second to China, when it comes to poor health and poor diet. The importance of why the government has involved Fit India movement at school level is, I think, for each and every one of you to understand why it's important to play. To get fit, you have to play. You play basketball, you play football, you run around, tennis, badminton, or whatever sport that you play.